Hello everyone, this is Mayuk Mazumdar and I'm back with another exciting session. So let's proceed.
Over the next few courses, I'll be introducing you to MySQL. Talking about MySQL, we must talk about RDBMS. So, Relational Database Management System or RDBMS have held mindshare among application developers as the most appropriate way to store critical data for several decades. This has remained true despite many alternative approaches such as XML-based storage and object databases showing promises. In recent years, the realities of scaling database system in the internet age have made customized solutions more practical than attempting to fit general purpose RDBMSs to diverse application needs. MySQL is a popular open source relational database management system used extensively in internet connected applications, with Facebook as an example of one of its largest users. To introduce to MySQL, so MySQL is very popular and an open source database management system. MySQL databases are relational. Officially, it is pronounced as MySQL. Also, various other pronunciations are quite easily heard. Handles very large database and its performance is very fast and reliable. MySQL is compatible with standard SQL. So, any idea why we are using MySQL? It is free and much cheaper than Oracle. Each person can install MySQL locally. Multi-user access to a number of databases offered. It's easy to use shell for creating tables, querying tables, etc. It is easy to use with Java, JDBC. MySQL is frequently used by PHP and Perl, and commercial version of MySQL is also provided, which also provides technical support. So these are the few of the features why MySQL is most widely and commonly used. Anyone have any idea on the history of MySQL? If not, let me share. It was founded and developed by David Axma, Alan Larson, and Michael Monty Widenas. It is named after Monty's daughter, Mine. MySQL Dolphin logo is Sakila. Sakila is the name of a town in Arusha, Tanzania. It is written basically in C and C++. It works on many different platforms. Sun acquired MySQL AB in Jan 2008 for $1 billion. So these are some of the history of MySQL. Now, talking about characteristics, there are two major characteristics. MySQL Server works in, number one is client server system and second in embedded systems. So what is client server system? A client server system is one that consists of a multi-threaded SQL servers that suppose different backends, several different client programs and libraries, administrative tools, and a wide range of application programming interfaces or APIs. The other one is embedded system. It provides MySQL Server as an embedded multi-threaded library that can be linked into an application to get a smaller, faster, easier to manage standalone products. Next, we would like to talk about features and benefits. So, among the features and benefits, the main features and benefits are scalability and flexibility. It's high performance. Its ultra-fast load utilities is distinctive memory caches, provides high performance. It is highly available. It has robust transactional support. Web and data warehouse strengths are provided. Are one of the benefits of MySQL. It provides strong data protection and data security. There are powerful mechanisms for ensuring only authorized users to have access to the data. SSH and SSL supports safe and secure connections to the database table. and its powerful data encryption and decryption function also provides enriched security. It has the ability and feature of comprehensive application development. Just as I said, using embedded system, one can integrate lightweight and smaller versions, means easier to manage standalone products. Its management is quite easy. We can even use event schedulers automatically to schedule common recurring SQL database tasks to execute on the database server. It is open source and have also with the enterprise you can get 24/7 support and lowest total cost of ownership. Using MySQL, one can save on database licensing costs and hardware expenditures, all while cutting system downtimes. Now, talking about the architecture of MySQL. So over here, you'll get to see the overall one or representational figure which represents the overall architecture of MySQL. Relational database management systems have long had a monolithic architecture that is difficult to scale while preserving serializable transaction semantics. MySQL as a RDBMS, despite its popularity, is still without a non-commercial, general-purpose storage engine, providing out-of-the-box high availability and the ability to transparently add database nodes to scale databases performance. MySQL is architectured in a modular way as shown in the figure. Over here, connectors from a variety of languages are provided and implement the MySQL client protocol through a TCP/IP or a shared memory interface. As SQL is the interface language for accessing data stored in the database, the parser, SQL interface, and optimizer are the primary layers through which clients connections interface when accessing data. These layers then make use of a re-implementable storage engine interface. The storage engine interface of MySQL is a cursor-like interface that enables any backend service to be used as raw storage for MySQL, provided that a required minimum of method can be implemented using the service, with some engines providing so far capabilities than others. Talking about storage engines, MySQL provides a number of storage engines with the base MySQL Community Edition. There are also many commercial third-party storage engines available targeting specific market segments and niches, one of which is GenieDB or InnoDB of Falcon. So this was all about the architecture of MySQL, and with it I am ending my first session in MySQL. We are looking forward to meet you in the next session. Thank you. Have a good day.